Here we go. Whoa. Forgive me for the loud noises, guys. And that's it. Lasted for 40 seconds. Okay. I'm gonna pause here for a second. Okay, we're setting off the next firework now. Hurry up! Before it attacks you. And once again, I forget for the loud noises. So if you're wearing headphones, you might want to turn it down. Look at that, I just saw a big firework there. Here's the loud noises, okay? If you're wearing headphones, please turn it down. Forgive me. And there we go. Oh, look, we got something to show you here.
For the trees?
Yeah, if you can take a look right there.
Go over to the corner of the road.
Here, I'm gonna give you a better look here. If you can look very closely in the distance, you can see there are big fireworks going off. A little hard to see. Now, very hard to see. Those might be the fireworks going off. Wait a minute, we can wait. Yeah, those are the fireworks that are being set off. Lockrill, yeah, those are the ones we were going to see. That I was going to stream live, but unfortunately I'll be taping our fireworks here at our house, so to make up for that.
Hey, at least you got some of them.
Yeah. Some, yeah, which I was eventually able to get on tape. Whoa!
Yeah, this one likes to shoot them up.
Hopefully it doesn't hit the power lines.
It won't hurt the power line. I just gotta make sure the fire doesn't start.
Well, I'll set that. Well, that didn't last long, but still, it was a pretty cool one. Alright, I'll take a pause right here for a second. So hold on, guys. Anyway, here's the next firework that's being set off now. So I think this is the next one. I think it's what he's setting off. I'm not sure though. Is that one coming? Is that one not working well?
It's not that wind.
Oh. There we go. Got luck.
It was just the wind, but that's all.
Okay. Well, a little one, but it's a good one. You can see right there, there's smoke over there. Okay, we're going to take a pause here for a second. Okay, that wasn't really much of a pause, but I could have just continued recording if I wanted to, but trying to save space on here because I can't change the res on this phone, which kind of sucks. And I don't know how much storage space I have, so I'm trying to conserve space. If it makes loud noises, please I warn you to turn down your headphones. But I don't think this will make loud noises. And it did not. So you were perfectly fine on that one, guys. Alright, here's the next one. Ready, cut, bin, just for ya. Turn on your headphones, guys. That's it. Take a pause for a second. Okay, here's the next firework for you guys. If it's loud, please turn it down, not off, but down your headphones. I'll let you know if that's the case. But I don't think this one's going to be loud.
No, this is just one of those that shoots sparks. So.
Yeah, okay. You guys are perfectly fine on this one, I believe. Yeah. Hold up. Hold it more. And that's it.
Hold on.
And we might see something else.
I'm waiting for that flame to go out.
Okay. I'm pausing here for a second. Okay, here's the next one.
Oh, that was a quick one.
Yeah, that was a quick one. I guess we're pausing here again. Here's the next one. This might be loud. I don't know if it will be, but if it is, if you want to turn down your headphones, you can, but I don't think it'll be bad enough for you guys. That's it. So we're gonna take a quick pause here. Hold on one second. Okay, we got another one coming up. Here we go. Okay, turn down your headphones. Alright. Now pause for a second. Okay, here's the next one. The next one will be a small one. Yeah, this one will just be a small one, guys. See? And I'll pause for a second while we get the next one ready. It'll be the same one, but it'll be short. Okay, here's the last one, guys.
That's it.
Yeah, that's all we have for you guys today. So, thank you for watching. I'm sorry we couldn't do a live stream, but hey, it's the best I could. I mean, yeah. So anyway, thank you for watching, guys. See ya.